Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Movie Drama. Today, we are diving into a heartwarming story of friendship, love, and growth that will take you on an emotional roller coaster. So grab your favorite snack, settle in, and let's explore the intertwined lives of Somo, Charjain, and their friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. Picture this, the bustling streets of Bangkok, where the aroma of street food mingles with the hum of tuk-tuks. It's here, in a quaint neighborhood, that our story begins. Somo and Charjain, two kids with dreams as big as the sky, live next door to each other. But they're not just neighbors, they're kindred spirits, bound by a friendship that seems written in the stars. Every morning, as the sun peeks over the horizon, Somo and Charjain race to catch the school bus together. Their laughter echoes through the streets, a daily symphony that the neighbors have come to love. After school, you'll find them hunched over textbooks in Somo's room, sharing snacks and secrets as they tackle homework together. But life, as we know, is full of unexpected twists. One fateful day, tragedy strikes Charjain's family. His father, a man with a heart of gold and a laugh that could light up a room, passes away suddenly. The loss leaves a gaping hole in Charjain's life, and the once cheerful boy becomes a shadow of his former self. As if the universe decided Charjain hadn't faced enough challenges, his mother finds love again. But here's the kicker, her new husband lives in France. Talk about a plot twist. Charjain is faced with a heart-wrenching decision: move to a foreign land or stay in the only home he's ever known. In a moment of bravery that would make any coming-of-age movie proud, Charjain chooses to stay. And where does he end up? Right next door, with Somo's family. It's like the universe is saying, hey, you too. Your story isn't over yet. Fast forward to high school, and a dynamic duo is about to have their world expanded in ways they never imagined. Enter New, Khao, and Tao, three characters that could give any teen drama a run for its money. New is the group's wise owl, always ready with advice and a shoulder to cry on. Whether it's a tricky math problem or a trickier crush, New's got the answers. Khao, on the other hand, is the group's sunshine. With a smile that could melt ice and a heart of gold, Khao is everyone's favorite mood lifter. And then there's Tao, the group's resident athlete. This guy spends so much time in the pool, you'd think he was part fish. But his dedication to swimming inspires the whole gang to chase their dreams with the same intensity. Now, let's talk about Somo for a moment. Our girl might be book smart, but when it comes to matters of the heart, she's as clueless as a fish out of water. This is where New and Khao come in, playing Cupid with all the subtlety of a bull in a china shop. Their attempts to guide Somo through the minefield of high school romance are both hilarious and heartwarming. High school becomes a whirlwind of experiences for our gang. From late-night study sessions fueled by energy drinks and determination, to cheering their lungs out at Tao's swim meets, they're inseparable. They weather their first heartbreaks together, celebrate their victories, and learn that true friendship can survive even the worst fashion choices. But it's not all smooth sailing. They face their fair share of challenges, family dramas, academic pressures, and the terrifying question of what do I want to do with my life? But through it all, they have each other's backs. They're not just friends, they're family. As high school draws to a close, our gang faces their biggest challenge yet, the prospect of separation. The air is thick with nostalgia and fear as they fill out university applications. Will this be the end of their story? But wait. In a twist worthy of a feel-good movie, they all get accepted into the same university. Cue the celebratory dance montage. However, university life brings its own set of challenges. For the first time, our inseparable group finds themselves, well, separated. Somo dives into literature, losing herself in worlds of words. Charjain, always the quiet thinker, tackles the world of engineering. New, with her nurturing spirit, chooses education. Kao's creativity flourishes in fine arts, while Tao continues to make waves in sports science. Their days of sharing every class and lunch break are over. But here's the beautiful part: their bond doesn't break. It evolves. They create new traditions: weekly dinner meetups, study sessions in the university library, and a group chat that never stops buzzing. As they navigate the choppy waters of young adulthood, they realize that growing up doesn't mean growing apart. They're learning to celebrate each other's individual journeys while holding on to the shared experiences that made them who they are. Somo and Charjane, in particular, find their relationship deepening in ways they never expected. Those childhood days of catching the bus together have transformed into late-night conversations about dreams, fears, and the future. Could there be romance brewing? Well, that's a story for another day. As our gang faces the challenges of university life, they're discovering that the best part of growing up is having people to grow with. They're not just friends anymore, they're a chosen family, bound by love, laughter, and a shared history that no distance can erase. And there you have it, folks. The story of Somo, Charjane, and their incredible friend group. It's a tale of friendship, growth, and the unbreakable bonds we forge in our youth. What do you think lies ahead for our gang? Will romance blossom? Will their friendship stand the test of time and distance? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more heartwarming tales of friendship and love. And hey, why not share this video with your own friend group? It might just inspire you to cherish those special bonds in your life. Until next time, this is Movie Drama, reminding you that the best stories are the ones we write together. See you in the next video.